Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice. Hello, welcome to my channel. So this week I have my last Halloween nail tutorial for this year, for this month, and it's a good one. I'm excited that I did it. So before you continue watching this awesome Halloween nail tutorial, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that great notification bell to be notified for the other videos that I do through the week, and also like this video because it's my last Halloween nail tutorial, and share this video as well please. And yes, let's get started with this video. Okay, let's get started on this nail tutorial. So you want to prep your nails however you do them and apply your favorite base coat to protect your natural nails or protect your nails. Put your favorite base coat down. Then once you have done that, then you want to apply the base color for the nails. So on your index finger and your pinky, you want to apply a dark lovely orange Halloween color, and then on your wedding finger and thumb you're gonna want to apply a nice neon bright orange, and then you want to just leave your middle finger free of nothing for now. So you want to apply 2 coats of each of those colors on those nails. Once you have applied 2 coats on every nail of those colors, you're going to want to start with your middle finger. So on your middle finger is going to be the skull. So I have a fake nail on, so I have the silky surface of that fake nail. So I used a thin liner Sharpie marker to sketch out the idea of what I want the skull to look like. But if you have your natural nails or something like that, you can use a mechanical pencil or a pencil in general and sketch out the skull. I usually just jump in with paint, but today I wanted to make sure it's nice and precise, and I'm not the best at drawing skulls, so I want it to be great. So that's why I started with the sketch on the middle finger. Once you made the sketch of the general shape and look of your skull, then you want to apply the skull color. I have this nice tan color for the skull. I didn't want to make it white, but if you want your skull to be white, apply the white, or do the color that I have, which is a nice warm tan color. And you want to apply 2 coats on the skull to make it really nice and opaque. Once you made the skull nice and opaque, and it's okay if you went over the lines a little bit because later on we're going to fix them anyways, so it's okay. And you want to go ahead and jump over to make the flowers, the roses of this nail tutorial. So on your wedding finger and your thumb, the light neon orange nails, it's going to be full of flowers. So you want to use you don't have to use a dotting tool or nothing, but if you prefer a dotting tool, go ahead. But you can use the brush rather than the nail polish bottle, and you want to splat on some perfect circles of for the flowers, like the base shape of the flowers. So all around the nail, on your thumb and wedding finger. On the skull finger, there's going to be 3 flowers under the mouth, and then 2 flowers on the head part. Once you got the general shape of the flowers, then go back in with that nice neon orange color to make the details to look like a make more of a rose flower. So in the flower, you just want to go back and forth to make a C and a backward C in each individual flower to fill it up, fill the whole circle up of the flower, and then it will resemble a rose. So you want to do that to each flower that you have on the skull nail and on the wedding finger and the thumb. Once you have done that, we're gonna want that to, I wanted it to rest a little bit so it won't smear or nothing. So I want to go ahead and jump over. It's gonna be a lot of jumping this nail tutorial. So you're gonna jump over to the index finger and the pinky to get that some color. So I have this nice orange Halloween glitter, and so we're gonna apply 2 coats of that glitter on the index finger and the pinky. But for right now, I just did 1. So for now, do 1 coat, but we're gonna do 2. But for now, just do 1 coat of that glitter on those 2 nails, and then later we do the second coat. Once you did that 1 coat, you can now jump back over to the other 3. And we're going to use the black to put in the details back into the skull. And then you want to paint around the flowers and the skull on the skull finger. And then on your wedding finger and thumb with your liner brush, go around each flower, and it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Swiggle it around each flower to make the flowers come alive and be more upfront. Once you did that black detailing on the skull and around each flower and on the skull nail, you're going to want to apply that second coat of that nice Halloween orange glitter that I did on my pinky and index finger. Apply that second coat. You can go back in if you have to, if need be, go back into that skull color that we did at the beginning and fix any imperfections that you did with the black, and you can fix it here and make the skull look even better. Once you have done all of that, you should be done by now, and then you want to apply your favorite top coat that you want. I have the Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat because I love the quick dry. So apply a quick dry top coat if you please, or any other top coat that you prefer, and yeah, apply on each nail. And once you have done all of that, you have your nice Halloween skull and roses nails. So, oh my god, how did you like these skull and orange flower Halloween nail tutorial? Hello, I really liked it. It came out great. So I hope you like them. Give me a comment down below if you like them, please. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Go down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the great notification bell. Leave me a like because you know you liked it, and also share this video so other people can recreate these and do these for Halloween. That is in a couple days. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for showing me love and making it this far. Wait to the end and you can see some other Halloween nail tutorials and other videos that I did. Also, you can check out the description box below to see some other videos as well. So it's all there for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.